Hey, Lighthouse for Life family, we are back in the kitchen at the harbor and we have incredible news. Down at my feet, we have really beautiful floors thanks to the great job that Floor Boys of Lexington did. And I want to show you that and see how it matches up with the countertops, and Lord willing, the cabinets will be finished this week as well. So we will give you another update next week. Thanks again for your prayers. Thank you for your support, and can't wait to show you what's going on next week.